Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore back street of KUTA area on Kubu Anya Street and Mataram Street. So if you want to know how the situation in local people who live in Bali in KUTA area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yes, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, actually I'm gonna say it's first time I explore the back street of KUTA. So today we will explore the back street of KUTA area on Kubu Anya Street and Mataram Street. And now we are in Kubu Anya Street. I will explore the back street of KUTA Bali because I have some requests from my viewers. They want to know how the situation at the moment back street of KUTA, because they want to say how the local life during this pandemic corona. Yeah, I'm gonna say thank you very much because you already support my channel by subscribe, like also your comment. And also if you don't mind, if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always new update the situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. And actually in Kubu Anyar there is some hotel. So that's why in this area also there is some big building of the hotels. You see right side? There is the hotel. Yeah, there is some car parking there. It's meant some people stay there at the moment. And you see the gate at the front? That is also to go to the hotel. As I told you, in this area there is some hotel but not much, but mostly only local people stay around here. You see right side, there is Best Western Hotel. You can see on the street, even this area just for local people, the road is not so busy, isn't it? There is not so many cars and not so many motorbike drive around in this area. Because as I told you before, during the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people who work in this area, in KUTA, they back to their village. So that's why in this area still look very quiet, even for local people. This area on Kubu Anyar is only around 5 minutes until 10 minute drive into the airport. So this location is nearby the airport or exactly behind Kartika Plaza Street. And also in this video, I will make video on Mataram Street. There is the street behind Legian Street. So we will see together how the situation right there local people live in the area. You see, it's so far so quiet, isn't it? Even local people in this area also quiet. This happening also because the impact of corona. So even local people so quiet. Right side, left side, it's just small shop for local people. Okay guys, keep watching the explore in Kubu Anya Street because after the street I will explore Mataram Street, the back street of Legian Street. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear. Yeah, it is the situation at the moment in KUTA Street. And now we are nearby Kuta. So in this area there is some hotels. You see at the front? Yeah, there is some hotel. Left side also hotel. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in KUTA Street. And now we will continue driving. We will explore Mataram Street, the back street of Legian. Okay guys, now we are in Mataram Street. In this street, exactly just behind Legian Street. But if you see the road, there is so many bumpy. So I will say sorry if the quality of camera is not so good. But I just want to show you the currently situation at the moment in Mataram Street, just the back street of the central of Kuta. And usually in this area before the pandemic corona, always busy because these locals people from other island outside from Bali, they come to Kuta and work in here. But since during the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people back to their village. And also who people work in the hotels, restaurant, transportation, they back to their village because Bali getting so quiet because of the corona. So that's why there is a lot of people who working in the hotels, restaurant, spa, bar, and transportation, they back to their village. So that's why in this area is very quiet now. As I told you before, Bali get the impact of corona is around 90% because mostly people working for tourism in Bali. If you see right side and left side, there is a lot of shop, and behind the shop there is a house from local people and also a rental room who people work in this area. Yeah, but it is still look very quiet. And from this area to the Legian Street is only around 400 meters. So that's why this back street we call Legian back street. You see right side and left side, there is some shop also closed, even just for local shop. Because as I told you, there is a lot of people they back to their village during the pandemic corona. This is also the impact of corona. Oh, in this area look a bit busier. Some activity, some shop open, and some people there. That's really good. I'm really happy to see that. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in backstreet of KUTA area. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.